Dr. Pangalos, yesterday, seemingly encouraging results from your early clinical trials were released. What do you think the probability of your vaccine to be proven safe and effective? And do you believe it will be available in the United States at the end of the year?
I think we're very encouraged by the immunogenicity data that we have in the phase 1/2 study and the tolerability data that we have, because we're seeing both an antibody response and a T cell response. And as you know, at the moment, we don't know what the immune correlates of protection are that will ultimately confer protection against this virus.
Right, but if it is approved, will it? Do you hope it'll be available at the end of the year on an emergency basis?
Yes, we do. So if we have efficacy data, we hope they'll have them any time from September onwards.
Thank you. Dr. Hogue, Moderna is set to begin its phase 3 study this month, but it's never brought a successful vaccine to market. Do you believe that your vaccine candidate will be successful? And if so, do you think it'll be available for distribution by the end of the year?
So, Chairman DeGette, thank you very much for the question. I think we're optimistic, cautiously optimistic, I think is the word others have used, that the vaccine will be successful. The data we published in the New England Journal of Medicine is the basis for that, as well as other data we've seen in challenge models. The phase 3 trial is a little bit beyond our control in terms of timing, because it's a case-driven study. But presuming that we are able to accrue cases relatively quickly in that study, we would hope in the fall or towards the end of the year, we'd have data that we could submit to the FDA for them to make a determination on whether to approve.
Mr. Young, Pfizer is developing 4 vaccine candidates and will also begin a phase 3 study later this month.
As I mentioned in my statement, we have a line of sight and a clear critical path to be able to deliver up to 100 million doses of commercial scale vaccine product in 2020 and up to 1.3 billion doses of our vaccine in 2021.